So it's the last day of the Space series and we're on to E. And E is for empowerment. Empowerment is a really important word for me. I really needed to feel empowered after all three of my diagnoses. And I found lots of different ways, really after the last diagnosis, of empowering myself and appreciating just how important it was to feel empowered. So we can empower ourselves on lots of different levels, but the whole point of the Daily Space and the Samspaces community is to empower recovery and healing. Yesterday we talked a lot about confidence, and empowerment is very similar, but it's much more of a proactive thing, I feel. And we want to find tools and tips and ways of empowering ourselves. So with the Daily Space, I wanted to send a monthly email to members to break down all the overwhelming information that there is out there, so that we had a list of tips and links and advice to click into as and when we felt we needed it. And with recipe links and book and app recommendations and well-being tips and all sorts of other bits and pieces, I think it just gives a really balanced list of things that we can look into to support ourselves in whichever way we need to at that particular point in time, without feeling overwhelmed with a whole list of stuff on Google and telephone numbers and all sorts. Empowering ourselves with the tools and tricks of the trade to move forward is vital for after this sort of treatment and after this sort of experience. So I hope that what you find on the Samspace website empowers you, and I hope that the emails, if you sign up for the Daily Space, are useful. Being able to talk about how we're feeling, being able to make those connections with other patients, other survivors in a similar boat, and share our experiences, being able to ask questions to wellbeing professionals whose jobs and therapies and courses we might be really interested in learning more about, is all empowering us. It's all giving us the confidence to move forward and to embrace life again, and to realise that we are amazing and we have been through a really challenging time, but we've come through that better, stronger, wiser, more fantastic than ever. So I'll leave that there, but I'm sure I'll be back with another series of vlogs for you, and until then, stay safe and nurture yourselves and take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye.